Hi everyone, today I'm gonna to show you my induction cooker which I bought 5 months ago, and then 4 months ago I already recording video for you. I show it how it's good and how it's working. Many people here who watch this video decide to buy the same one, but today I decide to show you once again that this induction cooker, after 5 months, it's still the same induction cooker and it's the same working well like before. So stay with me and let's start it. Okay guys, so if someone haven't watched my video regarding induction cooker, so I just want to show once again. So this is induction cooker, Hanabisi Hic 200s, and this induction cooker has slim design, LED display, 8 cook function, overheat auto cut off, high quality ceramic plate, manual cooking buttons, timers, and so on and so on. And also you will receive free stale pot inside is included in the box, so you can straight away cooking using your induction cooker. And one more thing, I just want to mention you that this is just little review about how it works after 5 months. This is not general information about this product. So if you really want to know everything, how it works and all the function how it works, then definitely on end of this movie I will add link so you can click and you can see the video which I recording for you 4 months ago, and there you can find all the information. So now let's go and focus about induction cooker. So it looks like that. This is exactly look after 5 months. I don't know that you see there is little scratches. I don't know why this happened. This is maybe because of pot. I definitely gonna to tell you that I can wash in this more properly. So this is that gonna be happen. Regarding the function, so all function in mine are still good. The working completely, the temperature regulation, all the function are working without problem. The soup, braise balls, steam, timer, this all is working completely fine. I know guys that many people bought this induction cooker and comments and mention something about that is not properly heating and there has many problem with their preparing foods. It's based on what pan you're using, the cheaper or the expensive one. I want to just show you, this is my cheapest one. It looks so bad on the back, right? And the cheapest one, there have very limited heating control. So if you're preparing so long, something which need long take time and there is need to be preparing longer, you will notice that this pan will give you very overheat and the induction will stop heating. So you just need to turn it on, turn it off and turn it on again, your induction cooker, and the problem will be resolved if this will happen to you. And this is another example. This is my most expensive pan. It's around 2,500 pesos. It's really expensive, and the back is look much better after the few months of use. But what is good here, it's more heavy. And what I want to tell you about this, if you were preparing food on this one, you were preparing slower, but here not gonna happen the overheat, not gonna stop heating And this is what I think so the problem many people has when using induction cooker, when is detector for overheat. This is for our safety reason only, so this is not any technical issue, because this is for protection only. So it's really up to you what pans and pots you using with the induction cooker, which is mine, this one. Exactly, I can tell you that wherever using the cheap pan or the expensive ones, I'm very happy. It's really working well. There is also the design, like I can show you here, the old design here, it's still good. I wash it, I brush it, look, there's nothing scratches on this. This is also very important that you remember the programs, the temperature, the all settings. So the stickers are really good. You have signals for every function which you're gonna to press. This is also so good that you are sure what's gonna happen with your induction cooker, that you press it, that you have lights, there is flashing, that is not yet open option. If you're not gonna to put anything on the induction cooker, there will be signal. And this is work from the beginning to the now. When I'm gonna to put the start heating, and this will be hot very quick, and just like that. And I remember that I have one question from one of person who watched me, that what about electricity, what about the electric consumption. So I'm gonna to tell you today that definitely you will save a lot if you are preparing food at home every day, and if you will use a lot. So definitely 100% I'm gonna to tell you, you will see your bills lower of few thousands pesos if you use them in Philippines, up approximately saving 2,000 to 2,500 pesos if I using this in Philippines. So yeah, definitely this was definitely solution. Just make sure that you're also buying good pan, not the super cheapest, because this also affects how long you need to prepare the food. Okay, if you're buying the cheapest, there is very fast heat, but it will be overheat and you need to turn off, turn open again. This will extend your time of preparing food. Better is to spend 1,000, 2,000 pesos for pan, for pot, and yeah, and this definitely gonna to help you save the money. Also, like I mentioned before, you have the free one pot, which this one 100% working, excellent working. So the heat is instant. You just wanted to preparing wherever, soup, rice, adobo, tinola, wherever you like, then you can just start, and from the first press you will see that this heating that is really good preparing your food. So yeah, definitely after 5 months I can say one more time, I still recommend you this brand. Definitely this is the one which I will be buying again if I will have to buy new one. And I don't mention yet that if you're watching this first time and you are visit my channel, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe, because next month will be more videos, more reviews, or try to review more for you guys. So if you are not yet subscribed, you can just do it now, and thank you so much. Just click and do it now. What more, if you are interested to see whole reviews about this product, just look at above. You should see link now. Full review from past 4 or even 5 months ago. There you can find more information about this induction cooker. Thank you very much for watching. I'm so happy that many people love to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, and see you in next week in next video. Thanks guys, and bye.